Hey guys, this is Joshua Jen and you're watching Dream Trust. Today we're going to be creating this rainbow look using the Alice+Jane Citrus Voices palette, and then my friend Mia is going to be helping me out today.
Hi guys, yeah, we're going to be recreating this awesome rainbow eye look.
It's going to be fun, so stick around. So first we're going to start with the red on the right side and then gradually move to blue on the left side. So we just use this red cream shadow on this right side right here. Now we're going to move on to orange right next to it. Now we're going to blend in the yellow. Now we're moving to the left eye and we're going to start with this green right here. Now we're going to be moving on to the blue. Then lastly we're going to be using this purple right here. Just gonna go in with all the other colors and make it pop out and make it a little bit more vibrant. Going to repeat the process on the bottom just to match the same color on the top. I'm gonna add some glitter to just let it pop out a little more. Now we're just gonna add some lashes to make my eyelashes look longer. Now we're just gonna add some mascara to the eyelashes. And this is the finished product, guys. It was really fun putting this on. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Thank you.